What's hot? Welcome to Glen Electric Heater Corporation, where, for over 30 years, we've been providing quality heating elements to our customers. Starflex band heaters, Firebrand cartridge heaters, Camel Rock disc heaters, all trademarks of Glen Electric. Come on, take a look inside.
Hello there. Welcome to Glen Electric Heater Corporation. I'm standing here with the Haywood Element Man. Why don't you come on in and see what we do here? Glen Electric Heater Corporation manufactures a complete line of electric heating equipment for industrial and commercial applications, utilizing tubular, cartridge, mica, and refractory heating products. At Glen, we know that your applications require elements of all different shapes and configurations, from this deep fat fire element to this spa unit, even down to this little element used in a solder pot. Glen has several facilities designed to service their customers, from our corporate office shown here to our Haywood Element Division, located in Brownsville, Tennessee. Thanks for stopping by.